Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video tutorial. And guys, please stay healthy and keep doing your daily workout because workout itself can help you to manage your mood and also maintaining your health and make you happy. So, regarding about the workout or sport, here in this time I will show you the simple tutorial to create the video gym that you can post, let's say in your Instagram or in the TikTok and another platform. So here as you can see in this clip I am using the Capcut, and this video actually or initially was in a one clip, but I have divided into the several parts. I think these are several parts here, and of course I have also do the adjustment. Let's say I will start it from the clip 1. I have adjust the contrast. From here I have adjust the contrast to become 30 and the saturation to become minus 25 and the brilliance to become negative or minus 30, and I will apply to all for each contrast, saturation and brilliance into all over the clip. Then I will apply it. So next one, because this video regarding or it is have the atmosphere of the workout, which is you feel the fire in it and also you feel the more energy, then I will choose the transition here to become app switch here. Then I will also apply to all for every or each clip, and I will apply it. And after that I will also give the effect. For the first clip here I will put the effect, video effect here as the gravity, because when you do the workout it's like your full energy and feel the younger of your version or the younger of yourself is on firing and keep your energy totally out or totally in for this workout. So I will choose the gravity effect, then I will choose the negative gravity and apply it. And after that, for the clip of 3, I'm sorry, the clip or of 2, I will add the effect here, the split screen. This one. And so does the clip 3. And for the last, oh, not the last. And for the fourth clip or the clip 4, I will also add another effect here. I think I will choose this with slide. It will also take you a while because it is also depends on your processor and your connection. So make sure that if you would like to do the editing video, please don't forget to do the scan or also do the deletion of the junk file, because it will help your processor and your storage to work really well, and because it will create the spacious storage. Since the effect on the sorry for the advertisement, since the effect for the clip 4 is not working, then I will choose again. I will choose this with slide and apply it, and let's see the result. Please don't forget to do your workout because it will be beneficial for health, and it will be happy too if you do that in your community. That's all, guys. The simple tip to create the gym video or gym reel, and you can post it into your favorite platform. And if you have any requests or feedback for this video, don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to follow or visit and also subscribe this channel if you would like to see and watch our another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.